Hello guys, my name is Eduardo Stefan, and in this video we will go over landing page builders, which are the most well known, and we will talk about them and go over some details. Okay, we will talk about my recommendation for the best tool that I think you should use to build your funnels and landing pages. So stay tuned. Well guys, by the end of this video, you will learn about some landing pages builders and my recommendation of which one I think is the best one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. Okay, let's go to the first one. ClickFunnels. Well, everybody knows ClickFunnels, right? Everybody knows who they are, Russell Brunson. The genius that started with this kind of online marketing. It's a really good product. The problem is, the pricing. You start at $100, so that might be a problem for some of you guys. Therefore, this software, even when it's good, is a little bit expensive, and there is some alternatives for about this one. Okay. Next one, it would be lead pages. Well, lead pages have some really cool stuff. That, first of all, what I like about lead pages is basically these, that you have really neat templates, and you can see when it is lead pages, because look, it is beautiful, very well designed. It has really cool, feeling. It feels good. I don't know. It is very good. If you go here, you can see the templates that they have, or what you could use to your landing pages. So it is a very good product overall. And if you go to pricings, here are the pricings. Well, you start at $25 a month. It will give you site builder. It will connect your domain, unlimited landing pages, unlimited pop-ups, unlimited alert bars, unlimited traffic and leads. It has an array of stuff. If you go a little farther, if you go to, Pro, which is, according to them, the most popular, you will pay $48 a month. Okay, and if you want the full, builder, you go to $199, $200. So this is basically lead pages. Really good software. I like it a lot, and I can recognize when somebody is using the software, because you can see it's well made. The design is pretty good. Next one, it is OptimizePress. Well, OptimizePress basically is a plugin for WordPress. The ones that I'm going to show you, this one and two more, are plugins. So if you have a WordPress site, which is really common, you can use this plugin, OptimizePress, to create landing pages and sale pages. You can do several stuff with this. I've seen somebody, I don't have it. I've seen some people use it. It looks good too. If you like, and if you have a WordPress website, you can use it to build your landing pages. So it is a good one. And here are the pricing. If you start, like for individual, just getting started, they charge you $100. If you're a publisher, where you have all the stuff you need, they will charge you $197. If you want to go Pro, which according to them in their webpage is limited time special offer, they will charge you $197 too. And you can do more than 10 web pages. Okay, so basically, this is a plugin that you will put on your WordPress website. Okay. The next one is Ultimate Thrive. With Ultimate Thrives, what you do basically is the same as OptimizePress. It's a plugin that you put in your WordPress, and you can get some themes to your site, and you can build your landing pages from here. You can do, for example, pop-up lightbox, sticky ribbon. You can do inline forms, two-step opt-in form, opt-in widget, and a range of different stuff. Okay, so this is another option. Let me see if I can find the pricing here, which I'm trying to find right now. But it's basically, hold on. It is basically another plugin that you have to put on your website. You have three kinds of licenses. One license for $67, 5 licenses or up to 5 licenses, $97, and 15 licenses up to 15 licenses, $147. So that's the pricing of this product. Okay, it is a good one. I've seen it. It looks good. If you have a WordPress, it will help you a lot. The next one, it is Profit Builder. Okay, with Profit Builder, basically is another plugin, right, where you will put in your WordPress and basically connect it to your web page. What do you have? You have the basic, the standard, and the pro. With the basic, you have 3 personal sites, and you get drag and drop builder, more than 130 high converting templates. You have unlimited visitors, dedicated optimized theme, 100% mobile responsive. You have speed optimization. You have SEO social optimization, 100 plus new features and tweaks, and integration everywhere. Free support and updates. Basically, the standard is the same as the basic, but with 10 personal sites, so you can have more sites. And then you have the pro, which gives you the same as standard and basic, plus you have 50 personal sites, and you add smart cart, you add split testing and auto optimize, and you have funnel builder analytics. So I would probably go or the basic or the pro, because for, I don't know, 20 more bucks, you have everything that you have on standard, and you have split testing, and that's kind of important. So that's why I would go with that option. Okay, so there you have 5 options that you could use. Now I'm going to show you the one that I recommend and the one that I'm using, which is Builderall. The last option is the one that I recommend, which is Builderall, and we're going to talk about Builderall a little bit. We're going to go over my site, inside my site. Here, for example, why I recommend Builderall? It because it has so many things that you can use. First of all, if you go to inside the page, right, you are going to get a responsive drag and drop builder. So you can have a website made that it will work, on a desktop or laptop and on mobile, which is right now is really important because mobile is king. Let's say you go to sales funnels. You have sales funnels here. You can do amazing things with sales funnels. For example, you have here video sales letter, invisible funnel, product launch funnel, membership funnels, and they're all ready for you. You just select, for example, the funnel. Let's say you want to do a squeeze page funnel. Sorry about that. If we go here, it tells you what it is and how it works. Well, basically, we are starting from a Facebook ad. When you start from a Facebook ad, after that you go to a squeeze page and then a thank you page. It's that easy. And you will, here in the squeeze page, what you will have, it is some freebie that you're going to give that will allow you to capture the email of the person that is visiting your site. That way, when you have that email, you can start doing email campaigns. So you're going to get the email, you're going to send an email right away, and after you get that he sends you or he gives you that email, once you have that email, and the person click on OK or send, you will go to, or that person will go to that thank you page. You will get that email here, and you will send an email right away, which will say something like, thank you for I don't know, downloading my free ebook. Once you have that email, you can send another email a couple of days later about the offer that you were giving them or whatever you want to do. But the most important thing is that right now you have a lead, you have an email that you can use to promote the product that you want to promote. That is really important. So in in this software, inside Builderall, you have to basically do it with a drag and drop. You don't have to build a whole new web page. It is ready to go, and the template is here, is ready. That's one of the things that I like. If you don't like that, for example, you want another sales funnel. Let's say you have sorry about that. Let's say you want to a webinar. You want to do a webinar. Well, here, same thing. You click here. It's going to send you to the webinar funnel, and it says webinar funnels are very powerful because they allow you to engage with potential customers for about an hour or 1 hour, right? So it's basically, this is a Facebook ad where you are going to give a webinar registration page. Once you get that registration, or people is registered, they will give you their email, and with that email you will send them, once they give you their email, you will send them to a confirmation page, and then to a webinar broadcast page. And once you have your email or their email, you will start sending them emails to go to the seminar replay page. So after the seminar, you can make your offer or whatever you're doing. So very, very important stuff, very powerful stuff, and you can do it here. Other reason because I like this software. If you want to create an app, for example, you can do it here, right? So you don't have to go to another place to do it. When you build the app, you can start it here on the platform and then promote it. You have everything you need to do with your applications. I haven't done anything because I don't do apps, but basically it's just to show you what else you can do. Other reason because I like this software so much. Mailing boss. You need an autoresponder. Here it's an autoresponder. If you don't have an autoresponder, you're not going to be able to do online marketing techniques or whatever to convert your probable visitors into sales. So you need mailing boss. If you click in access mailing boss, it will take you to this page, right? And in this page, you will be able to I don't know, go to campaigns, for example, email regular or email sequence. That's a regular email. Let's say email sequences. You can create your email sequences here. You create new one, and it's really easy, right? You put your name, the list, you put the whatever you want to do, and do it right away. So that's the good thing about the autoresponder. You have videos, tutorials, and there are several pages of tutorials, 1, 2 pages, 3 pages, yeah, with tutorials about how to do and how to use the autoresponder. Let's say, for example, that you are interested in email marketing or in let's say affiliate marketing. Well, here you have everything you need, everything. That's why I recommend this tool. And this is the important part. If you start right now, and if you go below to one of the links that I left, there's a 7-day trial, and you don't need a credit card to use it. You just put it in there, you just go in there, just click the link, it will give you access. It won't require a credit card, but that way you will start seeing how it works. How does it feel the software and if it is good for you. Let me show you another thing because I like this software very much. In this software, you can basically promote it as I do, because this is an affiliate link that I'm going to leave behind. But let's say you bring 1 people every week to the program or to the software. There is 52 people. Builderall will give you 100% commission on the people that sign out or sign under you. For example, let's say we have 50 people or 52, sorry, because 52 weeks, sorry, 52 weeks in the year. You will get $2,465 on direct commission because they will give you $50. The first time that somebody's signed, they will give you $50. If they buy the $50 plan, they will give you $50. If they buy the $30 plan, they will give you $30. But let's assume they give you $50 because they want to be affiliated. They wanna work with Builderall and increase their network and do the things that they want to do. Let's say 52 people signed with you in 1 year, and let's say from those 52 people, let's say 30, as the example here is, sign with you, and from those 30 that your affiliates sign, let's say each one get 30 more. So can you see? This is powerful stuff. If you sign 52 people, and from those 52, just 30 start working as an affiliate. From those 30 that works as affiliates, they get 30 people to sign up, 30 people to sign up each. You will get monthly income of $13,538. It means you're going to make more than $10,000 a month just for the affiliates that you have, because this is recurring income, because you pay for this software every month. So this is one of the beauties of this software. If you want to see another beauty, if you go here to tutorials and training videos, you're going to see that you will get lots and lots of training on online marketing, which is another plus. You're going to have a tutorial of building web pages, building a simple funnel, build a magic funnel, webhooks, checkout methods, marketplace. You're going to get a tutorial about everything basically. If you go to Builderall Business, here you're going to see your dashboard, your affiliate funnels, and lead trees, message centers. Basically, you're going to get lots and lots of information, tutorials, and support to be able to promote this product, right? So that's why this product is growing up so much, because the product is good and the affiliate program is awesome. And that is why I'm leaving you the link so you can go try it for yourself for 7 days for free and see if you like it. Okay? Before I finish this video, I want you to subscribe to my channel and comment if you are trying this software called Builderall and if you like it. Okay, leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see you in the next one.